Everything you see on social media is content. Even the advert you see is actually content, right? It's content that was made an advert. You see it now. So everything you see on social media is content. The videos you see, the text, every single thing you see is content. So are you creating content? All right. Are you multiplying content? And are you marketing content? Okay. So you can create content but not multiply it. All right. You can create content and not market it. You can create content and not distribute it. So if you create that type of content that nobody knows that you created, how would it be of value to anyone? All right. Nobody sees it except you and your village people. All right. So when you create content, when you write anything, when you design anything, when you have any graphics, video like the one I'm making now, or even if it's, text, whatever it is, all right, you create it, you must make sure that you do what? That you push it, you promote it, you market it, people should see it, you distribute it, people should see it. All right. You can also multiply it, turn it into other forms. If it's text, you can make a video from it, you can make graphics from it. All right. If it's video, you can make text from it, you can make images from it, graphics, whatever. As in, you can mix it, you can repurpose it. All right.